Days before Taylor Swift's wedding, Travis Kelce and Patrick Mahomes were hit with a lawsuit. Imagine you're about to celebrate one of the biggest moments of your life. The invitations are ready. The cameras are watching. Millions of fans are talking about your wedding. Then suddenly, a lawsuit lands on your doorstep. That is exactly what happened to NFL stars Travis Kelce and Patrick Mahomes. But this isn't about football. It's about business, trademarks, and a fight over one simple number, 1587. Here's the full story. Travis Kelce and Patrick Mahomes are known as one of the greatest quarterback and tight end duos in NFL history. Together, they helped lead the Kansas City Chiefs to multiple championships and became two of the biggest names in sports. But they wanted to build something bigger than football, so they entered the restaurant business. Their luxury steakhouse was called 1587 Prime. At first, the name seemed perfect. It combined Mahomes' jersey number, 15, with Kelce's number, 87. The number represented their friendship, teamwork, and success on the field. Fans loved the idea. The restaurant quickly gained attention before it even fully opened. Everything seemed to be going according to plan. But someone else had been using the number 1587 for years. A sneaker company called 1587 Sneakers claimed that the number already belonged to its brand. The company said it had built its business around that name long before the restaurant was announced. When they saw Kelce and Mahomes using the same number, they believed customers could become confused. Would people think the sneaker company was connected to the NFL stars? Would fans assume the shoes were officially linked to the restaurant? According to the company, that confusion could hurt its business. So it decided to take legal action. The lawsuit quickly became national news. Not only because two NFL superstars were involved, but because of the timing. Reports surfaced just days before Travis Kelce's highly anticipated wedding to global music superstar Taylor Swift. Instead of talking only about wedding preparations, headlines suddenly focused on court documents and trademark disputes. Fans everywhere were surprised. Many wondered, could this become a serious legal battle? Kelce and Mahomes didn't stay silent. Their legal team responded by saying they believed the lawsuit should not even be handled in the New York court where it was filed. They argued that their restaurant business had different connections and that the court wasn't the proper place for the case. They also pointed out something important. Their business is a steakhouse. The other company sells sneakers and clothing. According to their argument, these are completely different industries. Just because two businesses use the same number doesn't automatically mean customers will think they're related. Trademark law can be very complicated. Owning a trademark doesn't always give someone complete ownership of a word or number in every industry. Many companies legally share similar names because they sell different products. For example, one company may sell clothing while another sells restaurants. In many cases, both businesses can legally exist. However, things become more complicated when businesses start selling merchandise like hats, shirts, or other branded products. That's one reason why this lawsuit attracted so much attention. Legal experts say the court will likely examine whether customers could realistically believe the two brands are connected. If the answer is yes, the sneaker company could have a stronger case. If the answer is no, Kelce and Mahomes may have a better chance of winning. At this stage, the case is still developing. No final decision has been made. But regardless of who wins, the lawsuit highlights something many people don't realize. Building a successful business isn't only about having a great idea. It's also about protecting your brand. Before launching a company, businesses often spend months checking trademarks to avoid expensive legal battles later. Even famous athletes with teams of lawyers can face unexpected challenges. For Travis Kelce and Patrick Mahomes, what began as an exciting business project suddenly turned into a courtroom fight. And because it happened just before one of the most talked about celebrity weddings in the world, the story spread even faster. It became another reminder that life in the spotlight isn't always glamorous. Success brings opportunity, but it also brings scrutiny. Every business decision, every brand, every name can be challenged. As fans wait to see how the lawsuit unfolds, one thing is certain. The partnership between Patrick Mahomes and Travis Kelce has already changed football. Now, their latest challenge is happening far away from the stadium, not on the field, but inside the courtroom. Whether the lawsuit ends in a settlement, a victory, or a compromise, it will become another chapter in the story of two athletes whose influence extends well beyond the NFL. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more stories from the world of sports, business, and the biggest headlines.